How do psychologists actually study the way we learn? Stick around, in the next 2 minutes, you'll know every method they use. Educational psychology uses several scientific methods to understand how students think, learn, and grow. Let's break them down, one by one. First, the introspection method. Here, a person looks inward and reports their own thoughts and feelings. It's simple, but purely subjective. Next, the observation method. Psychologists watch behavior directly in real classroom settings, noting exactly what students do. Then comes the experimental method, the most scientific one. 2 groups are compared under controlled conditions to test a hypothesis. The case study method studies one individual deeply, their background, behavior, and growth, over time. The survey method collects data from many people using questionnaires or interviews, great for large groups. And the testing method uses standardized tests to measure intelligence, aptitude, or achievement. Finally, the clinical method, used to diagnose and treat learning or behavioral problems through close interaction. So that's it: introspection, observation, experimental, case study, survey, testing, and clinical methods, the toolkit of educational psychology. If this helped you understand better, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy psychology lessons.